Hello everyone. Today we learn 2D shapes in mathematics. So let's start. Our first shape is square. So let's fill the color in square. So we have learned the shape square which having 4 sides. The spelling of square is SQUARE square. Next, our second shape is circle. Let's fill the color in circle. The property of circle is having no side, means 0 sides. The spelling of circle is CIRCLE. Our third shape is triangle, which having 3 sides. Let's fill the color in triangle. The spelling of triangle is TRIANGLE triangle. Next, our fourth shape is cylinder. The spelling of cylinder is CYLINDER cylinder. Our next shape is rectangle. So let's fill the color in rectangle. Rectangle also have 4 sides, but opposite sides are parallel. The spelling of rectangle is RECTANGLE rectangle. Our next shape is heart. So let's fill the color in heart. So I hope you have learned 2D shapes in mathematics. Thank you.